Birds. Boom. What? This is the craziest story ever. Hundreds of birds fell from the sky and died. What is the explanation for this? You question if it's real or not, and then it's the follow-up clip of them all dead. It looks like it's from a Marvel movie or something. There's got to be an external reason for this, right? Electromagnetic, some kind of... It's 5G. Yeah. No. Listen, I'm joking.
Economic inflation.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely a glitch in the matrix. I don't know, man. It doesn't get any easier to interpret. Boom. Like they got dumped out of a dump truck.